Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will study our civics social study, and in that is social and political life, we known as the civics. In that, we will study about the first chapter. It is the name is the diversity. So let's know what are the things which we are going to learn in this chapter. Various forms of diversity, causes of diversity, difference between diversity and inequality, unity in diversity. Okay, so these the things which we are going to learn in this chapter. Now let's know diversity meaning. Difference the difference in opinions, choices, practices, and appearance in is called diversity. Now let's one just think, how you ever imagine how our society have you ever imagined how our society would look if everybody looked the same, wore the same clothes, types of the clothes, spoke the same language, and celebrate the same festival? Would it not become very boring if we see the same things every day? So let's now we will understand how the diversity. Our society consists of different people, culture, religions, and languages. The state of being different from one another is called diversity. However, we must not confuse diversity with inequality. While diversity refers to the state of being different, inequality is the state of being unequal. सो वी आर ऑल आर डिफरेंट पीपल. ओके, हम सब अलग अलग है, हमारा कल्चर अलग है, लोग अलग हैं, धर्म अलग है, भाषाएं अलग है ना, हमारी संस्कृति भी अलग है. लेकिन क्या होता है, भले ही हम अलग अलग स्टेट के क्यों ना हो, लेकिन यही हमको एक जगह एकत्रित करती है, डाइवर्सिटी इन यूनिटी. ओके, इट कॉज सो अलग अलग होने के बावजूद भी ये क्यों अलग अलग होने से हमें क्या है. However, we must not confuse diversity with inequality. While diversity refers to the state of being different, inequality is the state of being unequal. डाइवर्सिटी हमको ये नहीं बताती कि इनइक्वालिटी नहीं है ना. डाइवर्सिटी है तो इनइक्वालिटी नहीं सिखाया जाता. लेकिन while diversity refers to the state of being different, ओके, डाइवर्सिटी का मतलब है अलग अलग जगह से. ओके, इनइक्वालिटी इज द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग अनइक्वल. इनइक्वालिटी कब आता है, जब हम एक दूसरे को अपने जैसा नहीं मानते, अनइक्वल अपने बराबर नहीं मानते, तब इनइक्वालिटी आती है. नाउ लेट्स नो द कॉजेस ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी. डाइवर्सिटी इज कॉज्ड बाय मेनी factors. Some of them are listed below. The first is the history, geography, occupational differences, languages, religion, physical characteristics of the people. Okay, so these are the cause which leads to the diversity. Okay, many factors are there for the diversity. So let's know the first, history. People around the world traveled from one country to another in search of new land or trade partners. Some of them also settled in these countries, thereby introducing new customs and cultures to the existing inhabitants of the country. For example, when the Muslim rulers came and settled in India, they brought with them the Persian language. So what is that? People, all we are from one place to another, we always travel for the job, in search of job, land, or our relatives. Okay, to make the relations with others in the form, ऐसा हम समझेंगे तो कहते हैं ना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं, नौकरी के लिए जाते हैं, वहाँ रह के वहाँ जाके बसने के लिए जाते हैं, जिंदा रहने के लिए, मतलब कुछ अच्छा काम मिलेगा तो वहाँ जाके करके रह सकते. सो उससे क्या होता है, इट ब्रिंग्स the different culture, different languages and different customs of living and all that. So जब हम देखते हैं हम कहीं जाके रहा तो कोई और हमारे पड़ोस में आके रहे, तो हम उनके रहने का तरीका, उनके बात करने का तरीका, हम कुछ नया सीखते हैं. ऐसे ही एक एग्जांपल दिया, when the Muslim rulers came and settled in India, they brought with them the Persian language. So Persian language, how it came to India? Because of the Muslim rulers, Mughals, that time the Muslim rulers, those who came from out, they brought the Persian language. So this, how the things are changing. So this is the history. Second is the geography. Okay, the earth consists of different landforms. It has mountains, deserts, fertile plains, plateaus, coastal areas, and islands. This geographical diversity influence the climate of region, thereby leading to difference in food habits, dress, customs, and culture of people around the world. So geographically, there are features. We have seen the features of the geographically features: mountains, desert, fertile plains, plateaus, coastal areas, and islands. This brings the different kind of changing in our lives. The climate of a region, thereby leading a different in the foods. So according to the geographical features, है ना, जैसे जैसे प्राकृतिक परिवर्तन होते हैं ना, उसी हिसाब से हमारा रहन सहन, हमारा खान पान, हमारा रहना वगैरह सब बदलता है. फॉर द एग्जाम्पल, पीपल इन द कोस्टल रीजन ऑफ इंडिया प्रिफर सी फूड, वाइल पीपल लिविंग इन डेजर्ट यूजली ईट breads made of millet flour. Similarly, in South India, people wear light and cotton clothes throughout the year, while the people in the North India wear clothes according to season. So, see how the people are changing. We are in North, we can say that we eat different kind of foods in different time, as well as when the other people are staying in different places, they live their life according to climate, according to geographical features. सो जैसे जैसे चेंज होता है वैसे वैसे, अगर ठंड है तो ठंड के समय हम ठंडा कपड़ा पहनेंगे और ठंड का गर्म कपड़ा पहनेंगे. उसके बाद क्या होगा, गर्मी में हम जैकेट वगैरह नहीं पहनते. तो ऐसे ही बताया गया है ना इधर एग्जांपल. कुछ लोग जो साउथ साइड में रहेंगे वो लाइट एंड कॉटन क्लॉथ पूरा साल भर पहनते हैं, लेकिन हमारा नॉर्थन साइड में क्या होता है, हम समय से समय बदलते रहते हैं. So this is the way how we are living. And next we will see the occupational differences. So I hope you have understand till the history and geography in the chapter of diversity. Okay, so thank you and have a good day. Please go through the paragraph again and please try to understand, and we will discuss into Monday's class. So please go through this paragraph.